Today we are going to talk about how to speed up your manifestations. आप कैसे अपनी manifestations को बहुत जल्दी पूरा करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हैं. If you would like to speed up the manifestations, then stay with me till the last. I'll explain you how that can be done. Welcome to Relax and Meditate by KP Casey, your host, helping you manifest your dreams. Today we are going to talk about how to manifest the things faster. If you have been wondering how to speed up your manifestations, you are in the right place. आप सही जगह हो. So get comfortable, take a deep breath and let's dive in. Manifestations are the powerful process of bringing your desires into reality through focused thoughts, emotions, and actions. But how can we accelerate this process? This is a question in all of your minds. So here are some key strategies. How can we get our manifestations work faster for us? Firstly, you have to clarify your intentions. You have to be specific on what you want to manifest. If you want to get 1 crore rupees, you have to be specific. If you want 50,000, you have to be specific. You don't have to say कि मुझे इतने पैसे आ जाएं. No. You have to be specific. So have clear intentions. And instead of vague goals, write down clear, detailed descriptions of your desires. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the universe to understand and bring your intentions to life. So always use positive language and visualize your goals. Next step is you have to raise your vibration. अगर आपका bad mood है तो आपकी vibration कभी भी high नहीं रहती. So you have to be happy enough to have your vibrations at a higher level, because everything in the universe is energy, including your thoughts and emotions, because everything has some energy, and to manifest it faster, align your energy with your desires. Practice gratitude. Engage in activities that bring you joy. Surround yourself with positivity. Sometimes the music gives you joy. So I have already, put up one video where we start off with the song and make our energies and frequencies high. If you want, you can just go through that and then start your manifestations like that. Surround yourself with positivity always. Meditations, affirmations, and spending in the time in the nature. They are the great ways to elevate your vibrations. Because अगर आप नेचर में रहते हैं, पेड़ों में, पौधों में, फूलों में, बर्ड्स में, you feel very positive and you have very nice feeling from inside. So that is something where you can, increase your vibrations. Next, take the inspired actions. Manifestation is not just about thinking positive. It's also about taking practical steps towards goal. बैठे बैठे तो कभी भी मुंह में खाना नहीं आता, ठीक है ना? You have to do something. Listen to your intuitions and act on the ideas and opportunities that come your way. You have to do something to get your dreams true. Even small steps can lead to significant progress when you take it with the intention and a purpose. So be careful and see wherever you are getting opportunities on your way. Just grab those opportunities and your manifestations will come true faster. Let go and trust universe. One of the most challenging aspect of manifestation is releasing attachment to the outcome. अब वेट करते हो, अब होगा. No, forget it. Once you have manifested, just forget it. Universe is going to do the things for you. Your manifestations will work faster if you just forget it. You have to trust that universe is working in your favor, even if you can't see immediate results. ज़रूरी नहीं है आपको immediate results मिले, but still If you want to see immediate results, just let it go and trust that. Let go of any doubt and don't be impatient. Believe that your desires are on the way. Surrender control allows the universe to work its magic. You have to surrender yourself. Yes, God, you are there. This is my wish. I want my wish will be granted. So this is, you have to work like magic lamp and genie. So that's the manifestation and the powerful thing. Practice patience and persistence. Manifestation is a journey, not a race. Stay patient, keep your faith strong, and continue to practice your manifestation techniques constantly. Even if you don't see results immediately, persistence and patience are key to manifesting your desire. You have to remember that manifesting faster isn't about rushing the process, but aligning yourself more effectively with your desires. By clarifying your intentions, raising your vibration, taking inspired actions, letting go, and practicing patience, you can accelerate your manifestations. So these are the few steps that can help you get your manifestations faster. So thank you for joining me today on Relax and Meditate by KPKC. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with others who might get benefited. Until next time, stay positive, stay inspired, and keep manifesting your dreams. God bless you all.